Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful lacy shawl pattern. I made a sample here, nearly 50-60 centimeter length, and it's 40 centimeter width. I use here thick yarn. I want to show this pattern more bigger, but you can make this shawl more thinner yarns and more beautiful lacy shawls you can get. So I like it very much, and it's so simple. You will keep repeat always the same pattern and only making chains and double crochets. I'm again so sorry for my bad voice. I got a flu. So sorry about that, and I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. If my video comes so speedy, you can see 3 dots on the right of the screen. Please click them and slow me down, or if you want to make my video translate in your language, you can change the language options. Okay. I use here 6mm hook, and I use here one ball is 160 grams yarn. This is yarn category is 4, I think. Also you can use in this pattern, I said that a few minutes ago, thin yarns, for example 2 or 3 yarn category yarn, it gets more lacy. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful scarf. Let's start to crochet. For this pattern, you need multiples of 10 plus 3 chains. Okay. You will make your chains multiples of 10 plus 3, and which width you want, you will make your chains. First of all, make a slip knot, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the one set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the second. I will show it in 3 sets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 30 chains plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then yarn over. I want to make you more closer. Yarn over and skip 1, 2, 3. Insert into the 4th one. Grab my yarn. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Count this chain 3 as my first double crochet and add into the same stitch 4 more double crochet. This is the first one. 2, 3, and 4. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay. Then chain 2, yarn over and skip. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert into the 6th one. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, yarn over, skip again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, insert into the 6th one and make here 4 double crochet. 1, yarn over, insert into the same, pull through 2, pull through 2, 2, 3, and 4, chain 2, yarn over, make 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 2, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, insert into the 6th one, make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, insert into the 6th one, make 4 double, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, insert into the sixth one, make double crochet, only one, 1 and 2 chains, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, insert into the sixth one, here 1, 2, 3 and 4. You remember we start with half pattern. We start with half pattern and double crochet. We finish with half pattern and add here 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet, always same. Then 1, 2, 3 chains and turn your work. Now that's so simple. This is our border double crochet, always same. Start from the second one, insert here. Previous row you have 4 double, I decrease it 3 double in the same stitch. 1 in the same, 2 in the same, 3. Chain 2, yarn over. You see previous row 1 double. This is the last decreasing. Now we start to increase. So I insert the top of that double, make here double, chain 2 and make 1 more double in the same stitch. Chain 2, always work in chain 2 space. Previous row I have 4 double, chain 2, 4 double. This is the last increasing point, so we start to decrease it. Insert into the chain 2 space and make here 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and make 3 more double, 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, come to double stop and make here double, chain 2 and double, chain 2, come to chain 2 space, make here 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double. Then chain 2, come to double stop, make here your increase, double, chain 2 and double in the same stitch. Chain 2, come to your half pattern. You know we have here 4 double, skip 3, insert into the fourth one and make the top of it 3 double crochet. And last stitch you made your last double border crochet, double crochet. Chain 3 and turn your work. One line decreasing, one line increasing. That's the technique of this pattern. It's so simple. Previous row you have 3 double. Now in the second stitch, this is border double crochet. Start from the second, 4, 3, 2 double. I make here, chain 2, yarn over, come to chain 2 space, 1, I made V here. Now in chain 2 space I will make 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double. Chain 2, 4, 3, now I need to make 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double, chain 2, here needs to increase 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double, chain 2, 4, 3 needs to be decreasing, 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double, chain 2, now increase, again 2 double, chain 2, 2 double, chain 2, come to half pattern, skip 2, insert into the third one and make here 2 double, because previous row you made 3, now 2, now insert the third stitch and third chain, make your border double crochet, 4, 3, 2, chain 3, this is your border double crochet, not counted as a pattern, so 4, 3, 2, now I need to make 1 double crochet in the second stitch, chain 2, and look at that, 1, 2 needs to be making 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, come here, this time 4, 3, 2 needs to be make 1 double, chain 2, 1 double, I decrease that, that's the pattern actually, chain 2, increase it, 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 4, 3, 2, 1 this time, double, chain 2, double, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 double, chain 2, 3 double, chain 2, come to last half pattern, skip the first one, insert the second and make 1 double, because 4, 3, 2, 1, then insert the third chain and make your border double crochet, chain 3 and turn your work. Now this is the tip of that pattern, after that always keep repeat that. Now you remember we will make here in V stitch 1 double, so this is our last decreasing, so I'm not making here 1 more double, this is double crochet, at here 2 chains, so chain 5 I turned, and 1, 2, 3, and the last increasing here 4 double, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, come to chain 2 space, make my last decreasing, make 1 double crochet only in it here, chain 2, come to chain 2 space, make my last increasing, 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2, come to chain 2 space, make 1 double only, make your last decreasing, chain 2, come to chain 2 space, make your last increasing, 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2, make 4 more, 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2 and skip this double, insert the third chain and make your border double crochet. Now this is the last increasing, so you will start here decreasing. This is the last decreasing, so you will start to increasing. I will show you one row more, after you will keep repeat as same as. Okay, chain 3 and turn my work. So I need to make here 1 double in the same stitch here. Chain 2, I have 4 double, I need to decrease it, 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double, chain 2, yarn over, I have 1 double, I need to increase that, 1 double, chain 2 and make 1 more double in the same stitch. Look at that. Then chain 2, come here and decreasing, 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double, chain 2, make your increase here, double, chain 2, double, chain 2, make your decreasing here, 3 double, chain 2, 3 double, chain 2 and come to the third chain and make here double crochet for pattern and make 1 more double crochet for border. Okay, that's it. Now you will turn with again chain 3, this is your border, then turn your work and come to this second double crochet stop and make your increase, 2 double here, chain 2 and come here, decrease it to 2 double, chain 2, 2 double, come here and increase that, 2 double, chain 2, 2 double, this side decreasing, this side increasing, then turn here, 1 double, 2 double, next row 3 double, next row 4 double, then decrease that, 3 2 1 and only make border, then start to increase. Okay, that's the pattern. It's so simple. You will keep repeat which length you want. Okay, you can take a screenshot how you can keep repeating. I don't want to always tell after tell same thing. I hope you like it and you will try that. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.